Hello, Cleveland. Welcome to your daily TA. Happy Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah. That's tomorrow, but still. And happy holidays for all the other holidays out there. And let's get into the charts. So, yesterday we were talking about how let's get rid of this head and shoulders from the other day too. Sorry. But yesterday we were talking about this local support level that had to hold in order for, us to but for a reversal to be possible. Not only were we talking about this support that needed to be held, which it did, but also this level that needed to be broken. We also said that there was another level right around here that also needed to be broken. A little bit. We'll just say right around there. So as you can see, both of these levels have now been broken. Now, no candles have been closed over those levels, but we'll just make this 90-minute chart a little bit bigger. So neither of those levels have been broken or have closed. The candle hasn't closed above, well, it has about this one, so we can mark that one green. That one has a candle closed over it. However, we need to see another candle close over it. Two candles closing over top of that little now support. It was resistance, now support. Could be support actually once another candle, this one flips it or closes above it in 32 minutes, if it does. If it can also close over this, then that would be one step closer to making this a new support level as well, a local support level, and another little feather in the hat of the bullish boys. Now, if the bully boys want to keep running, they're going to have to hit up this next support level of 99.6. Now, if they can get over that 99.6 level and get over this 90-minute 200 moving average, then we can say that they're back in business. And, well, I hope that they are back in business. I like the bulls. I like them more than bears. Anyway, let's check out the 6-hour chart now. Excuse me. Like we were talking about yesterday, in order to invalidate this bear flag that we were looking at, we would need to see price action come up and over this local support now, or local resistance, excuse me, near 102.5. We'll just say 102.5. We'll bring that out like so. We'll turn you blue for charting purposes. And so if we want to see them bust out of this here, that's not what I wanted to do. If we wanted to see them bust out of this bear flag here, that's now got to be a little adjusted. Adjust you. And we'll adjust both of these measured moves to the new breakout point. Now, this descending resistance has been broken, so we'll mark that as green. Show us, hey, we've broken up over that. Awesome. So then the new bear flag resistance would be here. And we would want to see price action continue upwards, and then we can adjust that upwards as well with it. Make that pink. Make that pink like the rest of the bear flag. And yeah, let's take a quick peek at where these are leading now. 77, ouch, but we talked about that yesterday. And 84.1, which is also 85, close enough to that level that we were also talking about. On the 6-hour, we are above the 200. We bounced off it. That's a good sign that the bulls might be continuing their push, and a reversal might be at hand. Might be, but this could easily be a bull trap. A bull trap, that's when the market makers are trying to move the charts in such a way that it looks bullish, and a bunch of people go into leveraged positions, long leveraged positions, where they're thinking that it's going to go up, and then the market makers will then drop the price again and liquidate all of those positions and scoop up all that money for themselves. Now, again, if we can't see a breakup over this 102.5 level, consider this bear flag still in play. All right, last chart, let's take a quick peek at the daily. Now the daily, we're bouncing off that support level that we drew out yesterday. The bullish div now is still holding because we didn't get a lower low. No, for now it's still holding. We can make this one green to indicate that that's part of that bullish div there. Hidden bullish div with the price action putting in higher lows, 1, 2, and the RSI putting in lower lows, 1, 2. There's more in the middle as well, but you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. But this one kind of went lower than those ones, but still higher than that one. So still a bullish div. Kind of cancels out this bearish div we've been looking at. I'm gonna keep them both there just for posterity's sake. But yeah, so those two cancel each other out. So we don't really have to look at them. We gotten over our last support level. If we can close the daily candle here and then close another daily candle over that, that would be a good sign. I'll turn that back to green to indicate that that is now a support again. 94,000 held super well here on the daily. You can see that no candles have closed under 94,000. So those are some good signs for a reversal. The 94,000 held as support, and a reversal is coming. However, like I said, this could be a bull trap. Watch for that 102 level from the 6-hour chart. Watch for that 102 level on the 6-hour chart to, be broken in order for that bear flag to be disqualified. Volatility super high here on the 90-minute chart, 50-50 here on the 6-hour chart, and over 50 on the daily chart. The volatility just indicates, hey, how quickly can things move here? And we're seeing a 100 here printed on the stochastics for the 90-minute chart. If that can get stuck up here, stuck at 100, then that would be a good sign that this stochastics here will start pumping up and come on up, oscillate upwards, driving the RSI on the 6-hour as well upwards, which could then push us to that level that we are looking to break. Now, if all that happens, we'll see the Stokes on the daily also start pushing up and, to the top of their oscillation again. And while that happens, we want to see RSI move up over its signal line to indicate some more bullish momentum. If all of that can happen, especially breaking over 102.5, then hey, game on. Let's get back into this bull run stance. Otherwise, look for those downside patterns we've talked about yesterday and a little bit today. Where again? We'll say 85 and 77 if it goes way down. Now, I don't want to scare you. The bulls look like they could be taking control, but anything can happen in this market. So you got to be ready for it. All right, I don't have much else to tell you. That's about it, all I see. So, hey, we're looking for those levels. Hopefully the bulls can break them. If not, then back to the bearish side. All right. Much love. I'll see you guys later.